Hello and welcome to my studio. Today I want to talk about one of the art myths that I hear a lot, and that is all you need to do to improve your artwork is to practice. Practice, practice, practice. And we hear that so much, don't we? And actually I can tell you from my own experience that practice is definitely not all that you need. Because if you think about it, if we just do the same thing over and over again, it will just produce the same results. Whereas if we are looking for a different result, then we have to try something different. Because after all, you can't actually practice something that you don't know or something that you don't have the knowledge of. You're unable to practice. So you have to then learn that knowledge in order to be able to put that into practice. So just doing the same thing over and over won't actually give us the results that we are looking for. And I'm really passionate in helping artists go through a process, especially new artists or beginner painters that know that they really love painting and they feel drawn to creating artwork, but aren't necessarily creating the artwork that they want and kind of are unsure how to get the results that they want or to how to create the idea that they have in their mind, how to bring that to life on the canvas. And I have like a process that I actually discovered because back in 2013-14, that was when I actually started painting, and my paintings were pretty terrible, very amateur, and although I loved painting, I just really struggled to like find the true enjoyment in it and the true fulfillment, because I would end up hating what I created. And as you know, when you hate what you create, it's not fun because you enjoy the process of painting, but then when you look at your artwork and you feel unsatisfied with it, or dissatisfied, shall I say, it really can take away that creative enjoyment. So the process that I went through was focusing on each skill at a time. So that was drawing, and I put a lot of effort into drawing. Then looking at colours and colour mixing, I got a colour wheel and focused a lot of my attention on really understanding colour theory and colour relativity. And that is how colours can change when they are next to each other. And that knowledge really took my artwork to a new level. But also there's a few others, like different painting techniques, understanding composition. There's lots of different skills involved in painting. And so when you take these micro niches and focus on them as individuals, that's when you can see dramatic progress with your artwork. And I think within 30 days, I was creating artwork. I literally went from hating my artwork to creating artwork I loved, was so proud of, and I was sharing it online on Instagram and on social media. So it really doesn't matter how long that you've been drawing or painting. That doesn't necessarily mean how much improvement you'll see. You can actually see a lot of improvement in a very short window of time. And it's all about taking these like micro actions. So rather than just taking this big one action and like transforming your whole art journey, it actually looks a lot more like taking very small baby steps towards the artwork that you are wanting to make. And if you think about a direction, or imagine like you are heading towards a certain place in the distance and you asked for direction, literally had a compass, you could change the direction just by a very small, minute fraction of an angle. All you have to do is tiny little angle change, and it will literally lead to a whole new place on your journey. And I'm all about taking those very small little improvements, little changes in your art practice that will give you massive results. And that is what I'm so passionate about, because it's just so rewarding to see that improvement in artists, and not just the improvement in their artwork, but the confidence that those artists then gain. And I'm seeing students that I've worked with now sharing their collections of artwork online on Instagram and social media and having their websites, and it is just amazing to be able to see them grow at such a huge rate. So This is how dreams are made, by taking these small actions, and I encourage you to take one small action today, and that is to join my free taster art lesson. You can check the link in the description box and sign up for that free art lesson where together we'll discuss at looking how to improve your artwork, and we will set out a plan to really see dramatic improvement in your artwork, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if that sounds good to you, if you are a beginner artist or a new painter and you would like to see that improvement in your artwork in the fastest, easiest way, then check the link in the description box for your free art lesson. You can sign up and I'll send it you through email, and it will be amazing to be able to connect in that way and to have learn a little bit more about you as well. So have a beautiful day. I'm sending you lots of positive, creative vibes. I hope you have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. Let me know in the comments wherever in the world you are, because that's what I absolutely love about this day and age that we live in, that I can just connect with you guys the other side of the world. It's amazing. So have a beautiful day. Mwah! Sending you goodness. Bye.